Have a rat problem? Catching rats may seem difficult, but it is possible. In this video, you'll learn how to pick the right trap, where to place the trap, how to place the trap, and how to bait the trap. You can use these tips and tricks even if you've already tried to catch rats yourself but haven't been successful yet. Tip number 1. Picking the correct trap. Glue boards. Pros: glue boards are best for mice and small rats. Easy to set and zero risk of harm to yourself. Con: full-size rats can get off of them. Claw-style traps. Pros: easy to set, less likely to hurt yourself. Cons: rats can get bait off without triggering the trap, and may not kill larger rats. Snap traps. Pros: the most reliable, will catch larger rats. Cons: possible to hurt yourself, can be accidentally set off, and if you have the full-size one, not effective for mice. Tip number 2. Baiting the traps. There are a lot of things you can bait rat traps with. Some good ideas can be fruit, beef jerky, and peanut butter. These are some old reliables. I know it seems in the cartoons, but don't use cheese. Rats and mice are not as interested in cheese as they are in fruit, meats, and peanut butter. Tip number 3. Where to place the traps. Rodents have very poor vision. A rat's vision is limited to about 5 feet. So let's use this to our advantage. Because of their poor vision, they will follow a wall. They use that wall as a guide, a little sense of security, if you will. So, place the trap against the wall. They're more likely to come across it. Don't place the trap in the center of the space. Rats are not likely to go way out in the middle of an open space for a trap. Tip number 4. How to place a trap. Glue boards should be placed parallel to the wall or a beam. All other traps should be placed with the trigger facing the wall or a beam. Bonus fact: rats are neophobic, which is having extreme irrational dislike of anything new or unfamiliar. Use this fact to your advantage. Bait all your traps without setting them first. Once the rats are feeding on the baits, then set them all. Chances are very good you'll catch nearly all of them the first round. Pro tips. If the rats are feeding on food in your home already, use that food as bait. You're still having no luck getting the rats interested in the bait on your traps? Then try barbecue sauce. Bonus tip: before you set the trap, see if you can pick up the trap by the bait alone and it not fall off. If it does not fall off, it's less likely a rat will be able to remove the bait without triggering the trap. Yes, that happens. Sometimes rats get the bait off traps without triggering them. Recap: pick the right trap. Put the trap in the right place. Place the trap in the right way. Use the right bait. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn more.